Making money with your phone. We could all use phones to make some extra money. And why not, since many of us spend so much time scrolling? You can take advantage of those fingertips and turn them into ways to make money from your phone. Numerous apps, tools, and resources are available to assist, but it can be difficult to determine which are good and profitable ideas and which are a waste of time. If you're in this situation and struggling to break even, don't despair. We'll look at some of the best ways to earn money with your phone. Let's get started. Use an investment app. While you may be looking for extra cash right now, one of the best decisions you can make is to prepare for the future. Some fantastic investment apps available help you make money from your phone, while also increasing your value as you age. Betterment is one such app. Betterment is a mix of investments and savings designed for people who want to take control of their finances. You can use the app to set goals and make a personalized investment plan to help you achieve those goals. If investing gives you anxiety, set up an automatic monthly deposit and forget about it. Acorns is also in this department. This app is an excellent way to begin investing without even realizing this. It accomplishes all of this by automatically rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and depositing the difference into an investment account. You can also earn money to the account by shopping with Acorn's carefully selected partners. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate used to require either a large loan or millions of dollars in the bank. That is simply no longer the case. You can now not only use real estate investments to make money from your phone, but you can also do so with a small initial investment. This is because real estate investing apps distribute the cost of real estate among thousands of users. Instead of funding a new retail space or apartment building entirely, you pool your resources with dozens or hundreds of other investors. Then you split the profit with the investment. Fundrise. Fundrise is one of the most straightforward and well-known real estate investment apps. The minimum investment on Fundrise is $500, relatively low considering that most real estate investments require hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. Diversify Fund. Diversify Fund is on a mission to help 99%, the rest of us, invest in the world's richest people. The minimum investment is also $500, and you can build a portfolio from a wide range of real estate options. Earn cash back. Try a cashback app for a truly low-effort way to make money from your phone, or save money depending on how you look at it. These apps typically provide rebates and discounts on commonplace items. Ibotta is a well-known and highly rated app of this variety. This is how it works. To begin, use Ibotta's app or website to look for cashback deals on transactions for online and in-store purchases. Then make the purchase, provide proof of the transaction, and receive cash or a gift card. Assume you are planning a trip to Walmart. You may use Ibotta to look for Walmart deals. For example, you may come across an offer for $2.47 back on a specific brand of peanut butter. Before purchasing the peanut butter at Walmart, you add the offers onto the app. You then upload a photo of your Walmart receipt and Ibotta will add $2.47 to your earnings until you're ready to cash out. Ibotta is one of many apps of its kind. Fetch Rewards, Retail Me Not, Get Upset, and other cashback apps are also on the market. Use an app to sell stuff. Selling items you no longer use is one of the quickest ways to earn money. Numerous apps enable you to sell anything, from electronics to clothing and even unused gift cards. Here are the most popular. Poshmark. Poshmark users can list their items for sale on the website. After creating an account, take a photo of the item you want to sell, add a description, and set a price. The app even allows you to host a party so that your friends can all list similar items together. Poshmark provides the box and postage for free, allowing you to list items for free but charging a $2.95 listing fee for items under $15 and a 20% listing fee for items over $15. Let go. If you're going to spend time decluttering or cleaning out your garage, you could make some money while you're at it. Let Go is similar to an online thrift shop. Let Go functions similarly to Craigslist but with a more modern platform and app capabilities. The app is free to use and you can bargain on prices if you're desperate to get rid of something. Unfortunately, you are limited to selling in your area and cannot be paid through the app. You must negotiate payment with the buyer. Amazon. While you won't get paid, Amazon accepts thousands of eligible products for trade-ins. Earn Amazon gift cards by exchanging items such as books, old cell phones, video games, Amazon products such as the Kindle, Echo, and so on, and more. Take surveys. Taking surveys for money isn't particularly lucrative. You only get a couple dollars an hour. But it's simple enough, especially since many survey websites, such as MyPoints, iSay, and Survey Junkie, have their own mobile apps. While these sites differ, you typically answer survey questions for points and redeem those points to be paid in cash or other forms, like gift cards. It's worth noting that these sites typically require you to accumulate a large number of points, and thus a significant amount of time before you can redeem them. Protect your information once you start taking surveys. For example, never give out your social security, bank account, or driver's license number. Get rewarded for your routine. App developers have realized that people want to make money while being efficient with their time. This means you can earn money simply by going about your daily activities. Locket, for example, is one of the most simple to use because all you have to do is install a specific variety of ads on your home screen. After this, you get paid every time you open your lock screen. So you'll be paid to open your messages and check the time on your phone. This app, only available for Android users, is capped at 3 cents an hour, which means a realistic daily maximum of 48 cents if you unlock your phone 3 times an hour for 16 hours. Locket also only allows you to withdraw money in cash once you've reached the $10 threshold. Unfortunately, this means you'll have to stick with it for about 3 weeks before you see any results. Sweatcoin is another app you can try. You are compensated simply for walking. So if your daily routine includes a job that requires a lot of walking, this app could be for you, with prizes ranging from high-end shoes to the latest iPhones. Leverage your content. You can make money from your phone if you already have a large social media or blog following. For example, getting sponsored is a popular way to make money on Instagram. TikTok users also make money by obtaining sponsorships. Assume you frequently post about your beauty routine. A skincare company will request that you post a photo of its moisturizer. You can approach a potential sponsor, or they can approach you, or you can collaborate with a third party who makes connections. You can also monetize your content on YouTube or your blog by allowing advertisements. It's important to note that monetizing your content takes time, especially if you still need to get a large, dedicated following that advertisers find appealing. Look for success stories and advice on how to make money in this way. Let us know your views about this in the comments below, and if you want to know more about tech contents, subscribe to 33Cube now.